reenactments of what would happen. What are they doing? Where is he?
Some diagnose, others outlive their enemies to tell their version of the truth. Sometimes they'll walk on the walk. At other times, townsmen upheld the law. On more than one occasion, western streets ran red when outlawed.
I am down here in Summerville, Georgia, waiting on the double-headed steam locomotive arrival. Now I'm going to do a little walk around with y'all guys. Look at this here. Too bad I got no money. Already had a little hot dog myself just a little minute ago. It's been a long time since I had a funnel cake. We got food stands down, this way. Peanuts.
She just graduated high school and college. She's supposed to be able to post out. This is my oldest.
Chattanooga Brewery?
I'm thirsty. This is all I'm gonna get. Is a stick.
That camo hat.
She was also our first.
Nice. Let's continue going down the line here. We got this little place for selling shelves of some sort. If anyone wants to open that up, PayPal, Venmo, QR codes. Let's continue on another way. Got a little lamp. Oh, a couple of lamps. Huh. This is a great stand over here. Got some old lamps. Ooh, fireball. These are all lamps. That's a big one. Another way to pay. Continue down the line. We got another stand. We got some little things that 3D printed objects, like fidget toys and toys. Cups. Woo! Whoops! My bad for that camera shake. I am so sorry. That is cool. Wow. Cat. Flintstones. Ooh, this is pretty. Jelly roll. And someone else. Stranger Things in the back. Jeep. Kind of forgot about that. Yeah. Almost hit my head on that for a second time. Wow.
All those cups, they are 15 or 2 for 20.
So $15 or 2 for a $20 bill. Okay. I got a got another one. It's a thermos. Deer. Danger.
Salmonella. And E. coli. Yeah, that's why we gotta have farmers, our own people, able-bodied people.
Huh, that's cool.
There you go.
And I can see this back here. Got little pictures of trains on it. I don't know if the camera is slightly better or worse, because I broke the camera of my phone.
And they could fertilize all those fields naturally.
Overpriced. T-shirts. Steam claimed would not recommend. No necklaces and bracelets.
I got one right over here.
Drawing. No. Mouse mats. Mouse pads. Pretty.
We went down there to look at
There you go. If you want to keep reading this, you can pause the video. Yeah. I'm just not really into it today. More goose. I have no idea what that is. You could 3D print these yourself. I don't have a 3D printer at home, nor the money for these. I've seen these before, once at school.
Make sure you stop by and see them. Visit their booth today before you leave. We have the Cowboys here, the freight room, and we have other vendors inside as well. We have the business inside the freight room. We're expecting the arrival of the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum double engine steam arrival at 1 today.
So the double-headed steam locomotive is coming in the morning around 1.
I'll let you go. You gotta go. Take care of this. You gotta get up.
He has arms. Huh. One more thing and I'm gonna head on. You can hatch your own little dragon. Huh?
You putting those in a blog for me?
Yeah. YouTube video.
Okay.
How much for these? Hatch your own dragon.
That really helps our town out.
Dragon
The
with the
proceeds
shower.
from that go back
It's 10.
$10.
Yes, sir.
our downtown
Nice.
to a better place.
Ooh, put all those in there.
You send us your YouTube thing. No, you can
Yeah.
have this.
Thank you.
Yeah, just send us your YouTube thing. I watch
Yeah.
YouTube every night. Yeah,
Yeah,
I watch
okay.
everything, all kinds of stuff.
So I find you on this?
That's my wife's email.
Okay. I'll do that.
I appreciate it. We'll give you a like.
Try to. Woo! Loose gravel. Next station got some pretty good little things over here. I have no idea what they're called.
They're cross stitching.
Cross stitching.
Yeah.
Looks like you're working on a frog.
Yeah.
There are a couple Pokemon over here. And ducks.
Yeah, I got hyper fixated on making ducks at one point, so.
I mean, you did a good job making those ducks.
Yep, and it's a perfect event for them.
Yeah, you're going to do a duck race
Yeah.
sometime today.
Yeah, I think they're going to be releasing the ducks about 2, I think.
Okay, thank you. Trying to move on. Little chairs. Bathroom? Ooh. Trash monster. Guitar spatula. Ooh. Very good.
Okay, don't sell them beyond here. I'll just put 2 right here and you can sit behind it. And I got the box for you. Uh-oh, you dropped your back.
Can't lose this. If you want to reach out to them, got this.
Box is back there somewhere. I wouldn't take them out of the plastic unless you just want
Little
to.
thing, I just
It makes it
steak
look better
knives.
than the plastic.
Never seen any like this before. They're all the same. A phone. What you putting in there? Ooh. Can I get one of those to show camera? Huh?
Camera.
Yeah, I'm recording a YouTube video. Look at this. Got a whole pack of them right there. Huh, somehow my camera still works even though it's broken. Gotta put that up. It's harder to do when you got one hand. One hand. Some big old ducks. Mama duck, a little duck. Child duck. Next station. Yeah, soon we'll be at a real station. Got the pineapple stick. Get yourself the pineapple drinks or a smoothie, whatever. I have no idea. Look at that. It's hard recording videos. You don't know the struggle until you start yourself.
Euros.
Huh? No, it's video. This food stand? Yeah. Some kind of burrito or something.
take a picture of it.
So,
It's a Greek burrito, basically. It's a Greek taco, basically.
a Greek taco burrito. Nice. Gotta go. Next station.
Watch out, Wild Earth. It might be a ricochet. All right, let's go right here. Are you ready? Focus down here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I think you littered a little bit.
I got a balloon picker upper. Don't worry about that. I come prepared for the show. Look, here she goes.
It is one hot day out here today. It's only gonna get hotter as the day goes on. Had to make that straight. Yeah. There you go. Salute the Summerville trains. I have no idea what I did with that duck thing. You can pause the video if you want to read this. I'm just gonna continue on. Yes. More payment options over here. It's been 16 minutes so far. Excuse me. Another food stand. God, I don't know what they make there. Unless you're connected to this one over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're
all together.
okay. Look at those. Oh, they got one. There's the Georgia Cowboy Clowns. Now,
All right, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please?
yep, I sighed.
Oh, Mark here, he claims to be the fastest gun in the East. You know, I would have said West, but we ain't in the West. How about the South? Okay, the South, then. That makes it better. So,
Yep, I'm
we're
out of here.
gonna go out here in the street, and he's gonna prove he's the sharpest shot in the Southeast. I got that right. Yeah, you got that. Southeast. So if y'all want to see this, it ain't necessarily a gunfight because it's a one-sided gun. But let's go over and see what we got. Skills to do that.
Bro's gonna blow it up. No, bro's gonna pop it, just blowing it up. Man, that is a tight balloon. Another station.
All right, Mark, let's go out here and see what's going to happen. Don't stand like in the horizontal crosswalk.
Although the guns are caps, they are still pretty loud.
Yeah, you can get an umbrella out of there and get the stand back. Just pop that umbrella out.
Okay, hold on. Let me get out.
It might.
Walking.
Now, you know what? If you had shot you, you can shoot
I can't get both in view. I'm gonna have to turn it sideways. I don't think you can turn your computer sideways, unfortunately. Back again. There's the caboose over there. You see, when I zoom in, it's kind of blurry. Yeah, I have broken my phone a little bit. The camera. There's the caboose. They're gonna have to come in, move that caboose out before they can turn the locomotive around. It will first be coming that way out. Then sometime around 3 to 4. Get 4 something. It'll come back around. Come. I'm sure I moved that out the way. It'll come. Get on that turntable right there and turn. I'll put you over there at some point. I'll take you over there. Summerville. Look at this old wagon. Wow.
You move out of your way, sorry.
Oh, you're good. Would I just call this the bakery?
Sure, you can call it the bakery.
I mean, what was it supposed to be? Excuse me. Yes, rest of the week. Yeah. Ooh, I don't like that glare.
That looks so cute. She put stuff on Facebook.
Did you see the ones with our dog we got made recently?
Yes,
Just look at that house. Ooh, a Model T. Those are hard to get like today.
You know what she got? She got a really
It'd be great if they went together.
Yeah, there she is. Looking like you right there.
Oh, the cutter.
I didn't have much fun to do this week, so.
YouTuber vision, you know. If I miss something, I'll blame it on that.
But I love the review last time.
Everybody's got it.
You're welcome to get me a review.
Parrot? No, parrots, yeah. Panda bears. Let's look at that wall real quick. Crazy wall. Yeah, it's kind of. This is the station everybody would get on the train and board. $2 for a cake pop.
Good, I heard you enjoyed Panama City.
Yeah, we went down there.
Susan said you rocked the bikini.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Look at this old little thing right here.
Don't let any grass grow. I'm glad to hear it. It's a nice place, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh. Good old
Yeah. Good for you.
cash would just tell us something.
It is. It is. You gotta keep smiling and having fun.
Yeah. No need to be sour.
Wheelchair. Looks like it's starting to fall through right there. Look at that thing.
See anything yellow? Straighten my legs from over there.
That's a typewriter. Just looking down from here to old dollies. That is a massive chair. Bathroom. What's a fountain? But nope.
Neither one of those are. So, but had you won, you would double your money here. So they would have played. Now, keeping count of the cards is actually recommended.
This would be disturbing for some people. Disturbing. Just keep in mind, it's not real. It's a recreation. Yeah, I'm not gonna show it for if I do get demonetized. Sorry, can't show it.
The last three cards of the deck.
I'm not gonna show it.
Even odds for the house back in this. And that's why I think really went out of style. But there also was very many honest fair decks out west. Everyone cheated. But in the last three flops, you would bet on what order those last three cards were going to come out, and the odds were 10-3.
Wow.
So
This
that
was
a lot of
capped.
people try to put that, that back. So you would try to bet, the last three, whatever they were, if it was 9, 7, and the king, you would try to bet on what order that they would come out. Yeah. And then you would have to win, you'd have to get it just right to be able to do that.
You can see my hand moving.
You could also bet on the high card as well. So out of these two right here, if you bet
Cool.
the high card, and this was the dealer's card, so that's a 7 and 4, you would lose. But you can also bet on that as well between playing this right here, but this was a solo, a different game just right there.
It's like a side.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it was talking about the proper to bet on who loses.
You can add whatever. You can bet multiple cards.
You can bet here on those 4. You can bet on those 3.
You got some.
Here, on 2. I mean, you could spread it out based on what you thought the odds were, right? If it was a new game,
Something
the odds
else,
were all pretty even for you to win money. As it dwindles down, that's when the odds would get harder based on what was coming
I know what they're called, but I forgot. Another good one. Oh, arrowheads, yes. Look at the arrowheads.
And the game continues. People would always just come in.
That's really cool.
Yeah, you actually have the table.
More arrowheads.
You have a table that this.
You see my head. Hello there.
Yeah.
And of course, in here, it curves.
Try to block the light out. That didn't work. Hey. I don't know.
This is actually played here by someone
Gun.
counting cards. And then you had someone that usually
You got some water down here.
or something like that. He would sit, you know, on the right side. Or
More
left
arrowheads.
side,
Or arrows.
or you stand over.
I say that don't look like a real gun.
You know, I go back and do the two cells and see if they're.
I'm sure it is.
You know, they're looking at these like a cup or whatever. You look at what started it was they walked on the arrows. You can see.
Animal skin and liver. I'm I'm down here waiting for the Summerville Steam train, doubleheader, the arrival of it. Then we're gonna stay here all day until like 4, where it comes back. And turns around and start heading back the other way. So we're just kind of. Wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. Brain fart. Brain fart. Wait a minute. Another bucket of railroad spikes. Come on, get away. Son. Butterfly. I didn't go on the ramp to the other side there because why not? Flagpole. Sneeze. That was your plan to pick up the balloons? Start heading to over here. Where's the sweet corn? Is it back here for?
How you doing?
We're good.
It's your second
I'm just
trip.
looking.
No, it's your second trip. You're back to buy something.
I'm not.
If you're back twice, you're here to buy something.
We're recording a video.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll
It's a dark
smile.
cloud right yonder.
If we're recording, I'll be sure to smile.
We got all kinds of stuff. You just knock yourself out. That's just advertising for me.
Yeah, I guess so. And the other stations too. You better hope someone gets to your stuff before the others.
Yeah, well, as far as I know, I'm the only one here doing leather stuff, leather work.
So like my viewers could just call that phone number up there, link to your phone, and they just buy things off you.
Yep, I ship anywhere in the country.
You wanted to smile for the camera? Look, she's so beautiful.
What's your page?
Kyle Lamison.
Kyle.
Lamison.
Have to look you up.
Well, there's other stuff too. There's others that take my name.
Oh. Are you on TikTok or?
No, not really. More on YouTube though.
Oh, okay.
I'm newer on the YouTube. Yeah. So over here, apparently the only ones that are hand making their leather items. You could just hook up with them and buy yourself something. Excuse me. I'm just trying to cut by here. Get as much as this as I can. Ooh, little lizards. I like the real size of the ones around here too.
$1, and then the larger ones are $3.
Finger boxing gloves. Nice. It's already getting hotter out here. Already. This box, $10. You can actually close this up. Use that lock. so hot out here.
It is.
And it's only gonna get hotter.
I know.
Jeez. You're so adorable. The real, this is miniature, like, I don't know what they're called. Little cups.
Yeah, it's in a little square. You barely can't see all the sun.
Don't touch you, dude.
No, this one.
Freedom ain't free.
Personal space.
That wooden pinch. You go. Make sure you go follow them, right?
Thank you.
More pay QR codes. Show some light switch thing. Crazy. I'm just trying to get the board. There's so many stations. This is the last. I don't know how to edit my videos, nor have an editor, so I'm just gonna make a whole new video. I don't know how they do one video in a day, and then it's the next morning. They cut it and pause. Now it's the next morning, and they just unpause, and they're already making another video to continue the one. How do they do that? I don't know. Woo! Loose gravel. And more things back this way. So I'm just gonna make another video with the train coming through, cause I don't know how to do the YouTuber thing, or the YouTuber editors thing. Can't drop my phone on there. Woo-wee. I just hold my phone for dear life. Voice crack. That was horrible. Ooh. Okay. Which skins? Huh. Two. Hello.
We got brittle, cinnamon pecans, fudge,
Yeah.
Do a little vlog of it?
Huh?
Do a little vlog?
Yeah.
I do the same thing. It's fine.
Yeah.
You can do that YouTube too.
I don't have money for anything.
No, it's good. Hey, we all start somewhere.
Yeah.
I started with my phone and I got me a little GoPro.
That's cool. Yeah. The only thing that's bothering my camera right now is when I zoom in too far.
Yeah.
Thank you. You too. We're not done yet. They hang a little low. Yes, right here. So cute. I think your G fell over. And over here, the cups. And over here you got little standish. Now now that's a pretty one.
It's just something new.
Already got one down here. Already got one.
I never carry cash and they're all like China. Like, you gotta get into it.
You can open them up.
I've never done this. Is the first
You
one.
can open them up and it'd be a little. You can put little things in there.
Yeah. I've got it because I got tired of everybody. They trying to scrounge up cash every time somebody.
Got some right here. Orange, purple, tan. Not tan. What, dark blue. Got black, light blue, green, white.
Digging these.
And down here, you got the
These would be perfect
other
to
colors.
take to the pool.
Pool. Now that sounds good.
Probably gonna pick some. Do
It
what?
does. Pool.
The pool does sound good right now.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely.
Feels like a real croc, just miniature. Too bad it's only like right there.
How adorable.
Dark
that is.
yellow,
I
blue.
have a. I think there is a.
Move over here. Yeah, there ain't much over here. My mom's already signed up here, so I'm hoping we get money. We win. Chiropractors. Walk over here. Huh? No, thank you. You already gave one to us. I'm just doing a little video here. Espresso. Surprisingly, I was able to read that. And this is the last stand too.
I think so.
Yeah. Well, also the first stand when you come in, park.
Yep.
Almost trips that time. Shoe charms for the shoes. Huh. You leaving already? Go boy. You. Put your little hot bowls of food in there. I guess this will be it for the video number 1. Will be named Waiting for Train Arrival. Bye.